Okay, so we've got a 2017 Camry RZ sedan automatic. It's done 34,000 Ks in beautiful red. The nice little black spoiler there. It's got the reverse sensors, reverse camera, nice set of black alloys, a couple of little scratches on the alloys. Good set of tyres, they're actually brand new on the front. No stone chips. Let's have a look at the interior. So you got your cruise control, Bluetooth steering wheel multifunction, 34,000 Ks. It's your stereo, CD, climate air conditioning, and then it's got your automatic transmission with the Tiptronic. Seats are in good condition. Let's have a look at the in the back. And the back seat's very good as well. It's got the ISOFIX for your car seats. Let's see if we can get into the boot. Alright, there's the floor mats. Nice big boot. All inquiries welcome, give us a call.